Nobody has told you yet about these sewing projects that you can actually sell? And once you hear this, you're going to wish you started 6 months ago. If you've been sewing for years and you think your skills are just a hobby, I'm here to tell you, your kitchen table is sitting on a gold mine. Starting with number 1, and don't skip this because it sounds too simple. Lavender sachets. These little pouches sell for $8 to $12 each at craft fairs, and buyers grab them in sets of 3. You can sew one in literally 15 minutes using fabric scraps you already have. The secret? Use pretty cotton prints, florals, ginghams, vintage patterns, the kind that speak to our generation. Fill them with dried lavender from the dollar store or your own garden. Pro tip: bundle 3 in an organza bag and price the set at $25. They are a bestseller at Christmas, Mother's Day, and bridal showers. Number 2, quilted mug rugs. Now, if you've ever made a quilt block, you already know how to make one of these. A mug rug is basically an oversized coaster, about 5 by 7 inches, and people go crazy for them. They sell for $10 to $18 each. At craft fairs, I've seen sellers completely sell out in one morning. Use your fabric scraps and batting you've had sitting in a bin for years. Pick seasonal fabric: pumpkins in fall, snowflakes in winter, sunflowers in summer, and you'll have customers coming back every season. Batch tip: make 12 in one sitting. Same process, just chain piecing. Number 3, reusable fabric market bags. You know that plastic bag ban that's happening in more and more cities? That has made handmade fabric bags a hot commodity. Sew them in canvas or sturdy cotton with fun prints. Reinforce the handles and you've got a bag that lasts for years. Price point? $15 to $28, depending on size and design. Monogrammed ones sell for even more. And here's the business angle. Local grocery stores, coffee shops, and boutiques will sometimes buy these wholesale to resell to their customers. One relationship like that can keep you busy for months. Number 4, fabric headbands and scrunchies. I know what you're thinking. Those are for young girls. Wrong. Scrunchies and wide-knotted headbands are selling like crazy across all age groups right now. Velvet, silk, and cotton prints are all popular. A scrunchie uses less than a quarter yard of fabric. You can make a dozen in an evening. They sell for $6 to $12 each. And on Etsy, sellers with good photos are doing hundreds of sales a month on scrunchies alone. Bundle 5 for a $40 gift set, and you have a perfect birthday present. Number 5, and this one is my personal favorite. Casserole carriers and oven mitts. These are practical. They make sense. And women especially love to buy them because they make bringing food to a potluck, a church supper, or a neighbor's house so much easier. Sell a carrier and matching oven mitt as a set for $35 to $55. These are a staple at church craft fairs and holiday bazaars, which, by the way, are some of the highest-selling venues for handmade items in our age group's community. Bonus: personalize them with embroidery and add another $10 to the price. Number 6, zip pouches and cosmetic bags. If you've never done a zipper before, I promise, it's not as scary as you think. And there are wonderful tutorials right here on YouTube to walk you through it. A basic lined zip pouch takes about 30 minutes once you get the hang of it. They sell for $12 to $22 each. Larger cosmetic bags with pockets go for $25 to $40. Use bold, beautiful fabric, something a woman sees across a crowded table and has to pick up. That's what gets the sale. Market insight. These are among the top-selling handmade items on Etsy year-round. They're small to ship, which means low postage, which means higher profit margins. Number 7. Fabric bookmarks and book sleeves. The reading community is massive, and they spend money on things they love. A simple fabric bookmark, whether it's a ribbon style or a corner bookmark, sells for $4 to $8 and takes almost no materials or time. But the real money? Padded book sleeves. Those fabric envelopes that protect a book in your bag. They're trending hard right now, especially in fun book club prints or cottagecore fabrics. Price them at $18 to $30. Sell them at your local library's fundraiser, at book clubs, or online. This is a niche with very loyal buyers who come back again and again. Number 8. Baby bibs and burp cloths. There is always a baby being born somewhere, and grandmothers especially love gifting something handmade and beautiful. A contoured bib uses just a small piece of fabric and snaps or Velcro. Make them in sweet cotton prints and sell them as a 3-piece or 5-piece gift set. Gift sets sell for $22 to $40, and they wrap up beautifully. These are perfect for baby showers, and if you connect with one local boutique or children's shop, you could be filling their shelves on a regular basis. Number 9. Table runners. This one is especially perfect for us because we understand how much a beautiful table means. A well-set table is something women of our generation appreciate deeply, and we buy things that make our homes feel warm and welcoming. A quilted or patchwork table runner sells for $25 to $65, depending on size and complexity. Make them in batches of the same fabric to speed up production. Sell them at home decor boutiques, on Etsy, or at holiday craft shows. These photograph beautifully, which matters a lot online. And number 10, saving a sweet one for last. Pin cushions and sewing accessories. The sewing community buys from each other. A beautifully made pin cushion in a fun shape, a tomato, a mushroom, a little cottage, sells for $12 to $25. Sewing kits, needle books, thread holders, all of these are fast sellers in the crafting community, at quilt shows, and on Etsy shops focused on sewing supplies. These are also the perfect project to use up every last scrap of beautiful fabric you've collected over the years. Nothing goes to waste. Now, real quick, where do you actually sell these? Number 1, Etsy. Set up a shop, take good photos in natural light, and write clear descriptions. It does take time to build, but it is absolutely worth it. Number 2, local craft fairs and holiday bazaars. These are where our community shines. People love meeting the maker. Number 3, church sales, library fundraisers, and school events. Low booth fees, warm crowds, high trust. Number 4, local boutiques and gift shops. Walk in, show samples, and ask if they accept local makers on consignment. You don't need all 4. Start with 1 and get good at it. Here's what I want you to take away from today's video. Your sewing skills have value. Real, dollar-in-your-hand value. You've spent decades getting good at this. It is not too late to turn that into income, a little extra fun money, or even something you build into something bigger. If this video helped you, please hit that like button. It really does help this channel more than you know. And if you want to see a full tutorial on any one of these projects, drop it in the comments below and I will make it happen. Subscribe if you haven't already. I post new videos every week for women just like us who love to sew and aren't done creating beautiful things. I'll see you in the next one. Keep those needles moving.